everyone, and this is Game 3 Admin. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to code. So first you need to install Visual Studio Code. To get there, just type in code.visualstudio.com and then install it. So after you're done installing, open up the app, and this is something I've been doing. So when you do that, go to your folders, make a new folder for whatever you want to do, and then you're just gonna so when you get your file, just drag the folder you're using into VS Code, and then it's gonna open. Then you just, for what we're doing, you're gonna press that, and you're going to do view. Then under views, you're going to do what you're gonna do is, no, not a new folder, new file, and you're gonna call it anything you want. So I'm just gonna name it website. Then I'm gonna do .js. So then inside you're gonna do an exclamation mark, and actually we're going to change JS to HTML. When you're done, do an exclamation mark, press the first one, and then this is going to come. And then I'm gonna go into body, and then for the website, you're gonna do H1, then whatever your website is called. So I'm just gonna do test.com, and then you're gonna go to extensions, Shift X, and you're gonna get this extension called live server. And then after you save your work, you can either press save here or use Control S. After you save that, you're gonna right click website.html and press open with live server. It's gonna take a while, and you see it's right here, test.com. So what we want to do now is go under body and do a style tag, and then here we're gonna do ID equals header, and then we're gonna do hashtag header. You're gonna use brackets, and then you can make it whatever color you want. For me, I'm going to do red, and then you're going to do, this is optional, you're going to use hashtag header. Remember, capitals are saved, so you have to use the capital letters if they're capital letters. But you're gonna change header to header, and you're gonna do header hover. And then when you do that, press tab and you do background color. You're gonna do it whatever you want, but I'm going to do black, and I'll save that. Go back and see it says test.com, and when I hover over it, the background is black. So now what you are going to do is do this. You're gonna do wait. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna learn how to use ULs. So now you're gonna do LI, and that's gonna close. I recommend copying that and just stack 5 of them. And then above that, you're gonna do H2, and you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to do it. Favorite food places. And then UL means unordered list, where it is not matter. If you want to do if you do OL, then it's going to be ordered list where it's numbered. So for this, we're gonna do UL, and then we're gonna do McDonald's, AFC, Wendy, Domino's, and then Burger King. And now if you save that, you're gonna see that this is now here. And then if you do OL and save, now they're numbered. But we don't want to do that, so we're just gonna do that. Back where it was. And now this is only if you want to. For LI. So I'm going to do OL. Just copy, just move this here, change this one to Wendy's. And then when you're done with that, you go to LI, then do class equals, first put that there. So class will equal one, two, three, and then space class equals 1, 2, 3, and then the last one, class equals 1, 2, 3. And then now what's that going to do? You're going to use dot 1 to 3. You're going to use brackets, and then you're going to use color. And you do whatever color you want, but since they're the top 3, I am going to do gold. Wait, something's not working here. You just use our. What's wrong here? Well, since this isn't working, you can change this to ID1, ID2, and ID3. And this is even better because now we can do individual to #1, color, and since it's top, I'll do gold, #2, and then color maybe silver, close that. Then lastly, H3 brackets, we'll do color or bronze. Okay, there's no bronze, so we'll do brown. Now if you save that, let's wrong. Something is not working. Wait, just change this to first. Change this to first. Well, I think it can be numbers, so change it to first, second, and third. Now save that, come back, and now McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Domino's, and Wendy's. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.